Lizzie had enjoyed a lifetime of good health until 2018, when she started developing acid reflux symptoms. She got treated at Aga Khan Hospital, but things did not completely disappear. She could complain of head congestion, though it was manageable. The year 2022, Lizzie started losing weight and feeling tired, which slowed down her normal work routine. Around February 2023, she was diagnosed with cancer, which was at an advanced stage. She went to India for treatment, and after her chemotherapy, she bounced back. She bounced back to life and even managed to grace NIB's 14th graduation in October 2020. Around November, she started developing complications that saw her go back to the hospital. Early January 2024, she started vomiting and developed difficulties in walking and was admitted in Aga Khan Hospital. She was later discharged and went back home, where she was observed under nurse care from Aga Khan. On the fateful morning of Sunday 14, the nurse called the family at home where she was recovering and informed them that Lizzie's organs were failing, and at around 12:30 noon, Lizzie took her last breath, surrounded by family members. As we celebrate the life of an exemplary lady whose humility would not have permitted her to see or refer to herself that way, we pay growing tribute to a life of love, service, and dedication to the less fortunate. Fare thee well, ma'am. Treasured Shosho, sweet sister, cherished auntie, beloved friend, and an honored colleague, you have been truly strong to serve. To God be the glory.
Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a fortress of glory divine, heir of salvation.